everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I want to speak about some new releases, the men's spring summer 2024 Speedy 25 handbags, and also this new Louis Vuitton Dunes collection is coming out. But before we get started, please view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
I want to first say this. Looking at these pictures, looking at the colors of these Speedies, I want them all. Except for the monogram, because I already have the Speedy 25 bandolier and monogram in my collection that I hardly even use, and I don't even think I used it but one time. But this is so cute. Okay, so guys, this is from the men's spring summer 2024 collection, and as of right now, I am hearing that these Speedies are $8,000. If you heard different, please leave it in the comments below. The first thing, of course, that I noticed about the Speedy 25 is the bag tag. The bag tag, you guys see that it is a pretty good size bag tag on here, and also the key bell bag tag as well. This is usually where they preserve the keys for the lock. So how are you feeling with both of these bag tags basically being in the front? I also noticed, and I'm hoping this is true, the treated vachetta. And I noticed also that it's going to come with one zipper where you can actually zip and lock it on the side. You guys see the gold zipper, and you also see the gold lock. That's going to be on the side. Of course, an adjustable and detachable strap. And it basically just looks like a monogram Speedy 25 that we have in our collection, just with added pieces. So let me know how you feel about this. I think they're on to something. I think they're on to something. But if you have the Speedy 25 and monogram in your collection, guys, you don't need this. Pass this up. This does look like treated vachetta though. Versus, you know, from the women's collection, we have to let that patina, you know, kind of sink in before we get this color. But it seems like the men are going to get it. Next is this beautiful red color. This is so cute. Again, guys, I'm hearing that it's $8,000. The vachetta against this red pops out so much. It pops out so much. I'm a fan of red handbags. I just haven't found the perfect red handbag. But this is very, very cute. It's very, very cute, okay? Next, this is honestly my favorite, the yellow. I'm not sure how I feel about the vachetta on here. But I have no choice but to accept it. And of course, guys, here is gold hardware. Usually the men hardware is silver. Yeah, it's usually silver. So this here is gold hardware, and I told you about both of the bag tags on here. So let me know how you feel about that. The men receiving Speedy 25 with gold hardware. Y'all trying to come over to our side now, huh? Look at this green. This money green is so cute, and I honestly like this one as well. I think the vachetta pops out a bit more than the yellow. Is very cute. Guys, I am loving all of these. But for $8,000, that's crazy. I need to see the inside. I didn't know what's going on the inside, okay? What is making this $8,000? When we open it, it must be all gold interior. I have to know. Here is the beautiful blue. The darker colors, okay? The darker colors. You have the beautiful green and you have the beautiful blue. The darker colors honestly look better with the vachetta. It makes the vachetta pop more. And I am super excited they went with gold hardware. Now, if they gave us black leather Okay, I'm not sure how it will look because the monogram is in white. So I'm not sure how that will look, but I'm pretty sure if they gave us black leather, I think they would have snuck in that silver hardware. So guys, I wanted to point that out. I wanted to know, have you seen these handbags? Let me know what you think and which color would you honestly purchase. Or if you're just not a fan of that price, let me know that as well, because that's crazy. Like I said, as of right now, that's what I'm hearing is $8,000. So again, share with me below, how do you feel about the men's Ss24 Speedy 25 bandoliers? Let's now move on to the women's cruise. This is drop number 2. This is the Atlantis Dune handbag. When I first saw this handbag on the runway, I saw it from the side. I absolutely knew nothing about the black leather. I'm not okay with this. I'm not okay with this. I was excited about this. Yes, you can take the bag tag off, but if I'm paying for that bag tag on the front, because I already have this, I have 2 Odeon PMs. Well, I have an Odeon PM and an Odeon MM, so it's 2 Odeons in my collection with the same exact bag tag. I'm tired of collecting the same bag tag. I don't want this same bag tag again. So I don't understand. So we have the treated vachetta. They got that right. But why not give us the treated vachetta bag tag? That would have been the perfect, honestly guys, it would have been the perfect handbag. I am not feeling that, but of course, like I said, you can take that off. That's coming in at $3,100. I'm being honest with you, my CA already told me I can pre-order. I told you guys, it depends on your CA. She told me I can pre-order now. I'm just not a fan of the black at the front. And like I said, guys, after the reverse monogram Atlantis GM and us honestly not receiving that, I've kind of been in my feelings about it, because I know for sure that the BB is very small and I didn't want to pay that amount. So with this, I don't know how to feel. I might change my mind later. But as of right now, I think they most definitely dropped the ball with this black leather. Okay, adding this tag on. I want to see the strap. I'm wondering if the strap to where you can actually wear it on your shoulders. I'm thinking that it's going to be black as well. But I just want to know, like, where did they get that from just to add, just throw on black? I don't know. It's weird to me. Okay, guys. And this right here, the Alma GM, I don't think you guys are noticing, like, this isn't right. This is treated vachetta, gold hardware, and the bottom base, they just threw on this black leather and the key bell bag tag. Why not just keep it all treated vachetta? Treated vachetta is better than the regular vachetta that we have to always spray with Apple Guard. We are okay. We love treated vachetta here. So here, guys, is the Alma GM coming in at $2,540. And I want to see how an Alma GM looks in person. So I want to try this on, just to try on. I'm not a fan of this colorway with the vachetta mixed with the black leather. I'm not okay with that. And it does come with gold hardware. So again, guys, this is $2,540. Okay. And then we also have the on-the-go tote MM. Same thing. The placement of this black leather and the treated vachetta tabs on the side. And again, the giant LV. It's just more flowers than the actual LV symbol. Like, they really need to do away with it. They need to do away with the giant print just for a little while. So here is the on-the-go tote in the MM size. This is $3,050. This is insane. This is insane to me. Okay. So this is the Pochette Matisse East West, and this would have been cute. I honestly like this. That top handle, maybe we can hide it with a bando. I don't know. Maybe we can hide it with a bando. They dropped the ball big time with this mixing this leather and the vachetta, like I said. But if this was all treated vachetta, guys, I would have most definitely considered purchasing this. I haven't purchased a handbag in such a long time. I'm very deserving of it, but I told you guys, I'm gonna go for Chanel before I go for anything else. But I would have most definitely purchased this right here. $2,970. Of course, they have been adding this gold chain to everything, and I'm okay with that, because I do a lot with these gold chains, okay? Just keep in mind, we want the gold chain. We don't want any more guitar straps. So it also looks like it comes with a detachable strap and also adjustable. This is very cute. It is. This is adorable. I love it. It's just, for some reason, all the attention goes straight to that black, to the black leather at the top. I'm not feeling that at all. Okay, again, $2,970. I am just so upset with this. Here, this side trunk. This is in the MM size. Guys, this looks horrible. I am so sorry. OMG. Look at the, guys, this would have been beautiful if they would have kept the treated vachetta. What in the world? Look at the trimming on the side. It just brings out so much on this handbag. The treated vachetta was perfect with this design, but to throw on this black leather took away. It took away, but you know what? My side trunk in monogram comes with treated vachetta. I can take off this black strap. I can change the top strap, but I still have the overflap. The overflap. You see the black overflap with the S-lock? There's no changing unless I just leave it off. So I can take all of these straps off and use the side, you know, all of my pieces from the side trunk, the monogram side trunk, and I can make this bag work. But I still have that, like I said, the overflap with that black leather. I'm so upset. I'm just so upset about it, guys. I'm so hurt. This is coming in at $3,850. Again, if you love this color combo with vachetta and black leather, I'm not here to convince you otherwise. I am only giving you guys my opinion and what I like, okay? So everything I speak on is from my perspective. I really don't want you guys feeling like if Marquita doesn't like it, I don't like it. Or if you purchase and you show me, I'm going to say, no, take it back. Because a lot of you guys show me your new handbags, and I really, really like enjoy when you guys share with me. But don't take it as if, since I said that I don't like it, I don't want you to feel the same way if you really like it. So go out and purchase if you want. Like I said, my CA said pre-orders are open. Okay, so the next we have is the Speedy 20 bandolier. The same thing. This is too much. You guys know already. I've been telling you guys about the black. I honestly wish they would have just left it alone and kept it at treated vachetta. I love that they use a small, the small classic monogram print. Of course, we have a detachable strap and adjustable, and I'm pretty sure with the extended zipper, perfect gold hardware, and then we have the black leather that just pops in and takes over the handbag. $2,170. Okay, and of course they have been rolling out these Nano Alma handbags left and right. They don't care what, they don't care how it looks. The epi leather, they are just rolling these Nano handbags out, these smaller handbags, and they are just going up on the price. But I honestly think this would have been very, very cute if they would have just, like I said, left the treated vachetta on here, and this would have stole the show. This would have most definitely stole the show. The price, the size, yes, but the price, absolutely no, in my opinion. With a Nano being almost $2,000. But it's $1,860. This is the Nano being honestly more than the Alma BB. You guys know I had a video on that. So here is the Nano Alma. Again, price $1,860. And let's see what else we have, guys. A lot of you love the wallet on chain. This is $1,790. Now we have a winner. We have a winner because we can honestly take the black strap off and we can add a treated vachetta strap, a treated tote handle. I can take it from my side trunk, or guys, you can just carry it as a tote and use the gold chain. So we are working with something, okay? Price $1,790. Okay, guys, so we have one here that we honestly can convert and have no black leather. And it's crazy because the black leather doesn't look bad on here. I'm guessing because it's not taking over the actual handbag, okay? And then we also have a zippy wallet, $780, and the black tab, leather tab. They could have left that tree of a shutter. This is crazy. So guys, this is a drop 2 from the women's cruise collection. Let me know, are you interested in anything that I showed you so far? And I honestly, like I said, I want you to let me know how you feel about this collection. I was honestly, when I saw it on the runway, I was excited, but I didn't know about the added black leather, and to me that messed up the handbag. And again, this is only my opinion. So guys, leave in the comments below, how do you feel about the Speedy 25 from the men Ss24 collection, and also how do you feel about this new collection that is coming out, the Dune collection from Louis Vuitton. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye bye.